Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like us, like our follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says solve for x in 2 to the power of x plus x equals to 37. So we are going to solve for the value of x. So in this case we have here solution. So we have 2 to the power of x plus x equals to 37. So what we are going to do now is to transfer the x to this other side. So this will become 2 to the power of x equals to 37. X will be transposed into this other side. It becomes minus x. So in this case, we can divide all through by 2 to the power of x. So here will become 2 to the power of x all over 2 to the power of x equals to 37 minus x all to the power of all divided by 2 to the power of x. So in this case, this one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. So we are now left with 1 equals to 37 minus x all over 2 to the power of x. We can as well write this, bring this one to this other side. This is equals to 1. So in this case, we can recall that when we have, say note, when we have a to the power of n all over a to the power of b is the same thing as a to the power of n times a to the power of minus b. So here we will express this in this format. So this will become 37 minus x times 2 to the power of minus equals to 1. So this is what we have now. Now this will become 37 minus x times 2 raised to the power of minus x equals to 1. So what we want to do is to make this power equals to what we have here in the parentheses. So what we are going to do, multiply both sides by 2 to the power of 37. This is what we have. So this one will become 37 minus x times 2 to the power of minus x. Then we multiply by 2 to the power of 37 equals to 1 times 2 to the power of 37. So what we do on the left hand side is what we do on the right hand side. So now that one will become, here will become, when we recall that when we have a to the power of n times a to the power of m is the same thing as a to the power of n plus n. So in this case here, this will become 37 minus x all to the power of, or multiply by 2 to the power of minus x plus 37, because we express this in this format, equals to, this one is 2 to the power of 0 times 2 to the power of 37, because we know that anything a raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So the same thing that we do here, this will become 37 minus x times 2. We can rearrange this. This will become 37 minus x equals to, we apply the same rule here. So that one will become 2 to the power of 0 plus 37, which is the same thing as 37. Then note that when we have e to the power of ln a equals to a, because e will cancel the ln, we have a. So in that case, we want to substitute that into where we have 2 here. So we have here 37 minus x all times e ln 2. We bring down 37 minus x equals to, here is 2 raised to the power of 37. So that is what we have. We can rearrange this or use this same rule. Here will become 37 minus x, then times e to ln e raised to the power of 37 minus x. Then we have ln 2 equals to 2 to the power of 37. So we have this. Our aim for doing all this is for us to apply Lambert W function. So Lambert W function says that, so we said note, when we have Lambert W function of a, e to the power of a will become a. So what we have now, when we have this parenthesis here, what we have here for the product is what we are going to have on the exponential. So now we have 37 minus x ln 2. What we have here, 37 minus x. So we don't have ln 2. What we are going to do is to multiply ln 2 to both sides. So we need to clean this. So the next step is for us to multiply both sides by ln 2, because that's what we are lacking here. So this will become 37 minus x times ln 2 times e to the power of 37 minus x. Then we have ln2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 37 times ln2. So we have that. So this is ln2. So now what we have on the product is the same thing on what we have here. So we can apply Lambert W function. So we have this. So the next step is for us to apply the Lambert W function that will say that the Lambert W function of a exponent a equals to a. So here will be Lambert W function of 37 minus x times ln2 times e to the power of 37 minus x ln2 equals to Lambert W function into 2 raised to the power of 37 times ln2. So that is what we have now. So the next thing, as we said, that Lambert W function of a times e to the power of a equals to a. So we have this here and we have this, the same thing. So it will become 37 minus x times ln2. That is what this means, equals to Lambert W function of 2 raised to the power of 37 times ln2. So now we have this on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we still have Lambert W function. And we need to evaluate this in this format. How do we do that? So here, this 2 raised to the power of 37 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 32. It means that 2 to the power of 5 is 32. That is 2 times 2 into 5 places. So we are going to substitute this into where we have this. So we have 37 minus x times ln of 2 equals to Lambert W function of 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 30 times ln of 2. So here will become 37 minus x times ln of 2 equals to Lambert W function of 32 times, so we have, this is 2 to the power of 30 ln of 2. So this is what we have. So we need to clean this. And now left with this. So here we say, note, when we have e to the power of ln of a equals to a. So we are going to substitute this in this format. So we have 37 minus x times ln of 2 equals to Lambert W function into 32 times, for the place of 2, we put e to the power of ln of 2. That is equals to 2. Then times 32 times ln of 2. So that's what we have. Because we said that Lambert W function into a exponential a equals to a. So what we have on the product is the same thing of what we have on the exponent. So here we are trying to express what we have here in this other side. So here we can rearrange. So we have 37 minus x times ln of 2 equals to Lambert W function into 32. Let's rearrange this, ln of 2, then times e to the power of ln of 2. Then we have here times 32. So this is what we have. So now, since we said that Lambert W function of a times e to the power of a equals to a, so this will become, we have this and we have this. So it will become 37 minus x times ln of 2 equals to 32 ln of 2. So this is what we have. Okay, this is ln of 2. In this case, ln of 2 will cancel each other, or we say divide all through by ln of 2. So we have 37 minus x times ln of 2 all over ln of 2 equals to 32 ln of 2 all over ln of 2. So this one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. This one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. So we are now left with what we have there on the board is, here is 37 minus x equals to 32. In this case, we will collect like terms. So we have here 37. 32 will be transposed into this other side. We become minus 32 equals to, minus x will be transposed into this other side, become x. So here we have 37 minus 32, which is equals to, we have 37 minus 32 equals to x. 37 minus 32 equals to 5. Then 5 equals to x. Therefore, our value of x equals to 5. So value of x equals to 5, and they satisfy this expression. So we can do a little check for us to see value of x equals to 5 will satisfy that place. So in that case, let's do a little check here. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus x equals to 37. So when we say x equals to 5, 2 raised to the power of 5 plus 5 equals to 37. So 2 to the raised to the power of 5 is 32. 32 plus 5 equals to 37. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Now, it satisfies that x equals to 5 satisfy this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.